Heads up, unfortunately, unlike Serene, I don't have any cute baby videos, but I will promise you there's going to be some cool product videos, which in a way is a lot like our babies as well. And some of those people who built those products are in this room today, so whatever you see that's super interesting, make sure you come by our booth later and take a look. So for those of you who may not be familiar, Property Guru is the leading online property company in Southeast Asia. Every month, we help close to 30 million property seekers find their dream homes in Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Our mission is to empower people to make confident property decisions through relevant content, actionable insights, and world-class service. It's a mission all 1,600 of us take very seriously every day. Today, I'll be talking about how AI is keeping it real in real estate, and I'll be sharing some demos of AI-enabled products and features we've built in Property Guru to help our users and our customers. Like many other industries, technology and AI have had a really big impact on real estate, and the built environment is changing the way we live, the way we work, the way we interact with the world around us. Dror Poleg, economic historian, he said, the main impact on real estate assets, how they're being used, operated, and valued, will not come from real estate tech. In fact, it will actually come from innovations that are transforming other industries, changing the way people socialize, move around, eat, and find meaning. For example, hybrid and remote work is influencing where we work, how often you work from home, how often you go to the office. It's resulting in a reduction in demand for office spaces. And now some office buildings are getting empty, is resulting in risk exposure to capital markets. Real-time mobility data is allowing more accurate prediction of traffic flows and infrastructure requirements. But in my presentation today, I will not be talking about how AI is happening around us, but how it's actually enabling innovation within property technology, or also known as PropTech, with a focus on the areas where Property Guru operates in. And to provide a little bit of context, this is an overview of the evolution of PropTech over the last 40 years. In the 80s, after the introduction of personal computing, real estate institutions began to adopt technology in the form of data processing tools, whether it's to help with property investments or with portfolio management needs. Products were closed-form services that did not talk to one another and required a lot of extensive customization. Then in the 2000s, following the dot-com boom, consumer confidence in online transactions and the growing familiarity with marketplaces helped to drive digitalization of property listings finally. From, if you recall, this very thick addition to your weekend newspapers with all your property listings, they finally moved online as classifieds. Then simple property management tools also started to emerge. In the 2010s, we saw more advanced data analytics tools, gradual deployment of hardware, which facilitated Internet of Things, and other property management tools as well. Today, we're seeing an integration of AI and blockchain technologies for asset financing and ownership verification, predictive analytics, automation, and enhanced user experiences. The adoption of AI becoming more mainstream right now is coming at a great time for real estate. Real estate is one of the oldest industries in human history and remains the largest asset class in the world. Even in ancient Egypt, 3,500 years ago, young upstarts were trying to guide powerful rulers and landowners to adopt more sustainable policies. And compared to other industries, it's not surprising that there's been far less disruption in real estate due to the nature of the asset class and also structural legacies that are very challenging to overcome. But the pace of change is expediting so quickly around us, placing the real estate sector under a lot of pressure to transform and digitalize. The industry, as also you can imagine, has amassed a very sizable amount of data, information about where people live, where people work, about properties, about owners, occupiers, asset performance, and markets. And in more recent years, we have seen stronger efforts to leverage on technology to improve effectiveness in real estate, whether it's digital twin technologies to revolutionize the building design, GANs for image generation, deep learning for market analysis, and natural language processing to enhance property search. These efforts have created new product experiences, such as virtual tours, which was very useful during COVID, process automations, AI assistance, and smart property management. So as you can see here, there are many challenges along the value chain of real estate. And up on the screen here are just some very common obstacles that many of us in this room have experienced before as well. For example, when you think about the process to buy or sell or rent a property, the process can be very manual. A lot of paperwork, a lot of moving paper from A to B to C, back to A, and then to C and to B. Very limited data analytical capabilities, time-consuming property search due to a lack of trusted information, inconsistent and unreliable property valuations, data silos, and just lots of inefficiencies everywhere. According to Jones Lang LaSalle's 2023 Global Real Estate Technology Survey, more than 80% of occupiers, investors, and developers are planning to boost their technology budgets over the next 3 years. So you have a lot of problems and pain on one hand, and not a lot of innovative solutions on the other. So therein lies a very large opportunity for us to leverage technology and AI to improve effectiveness in real estate. Some of the ways we at Property Guru have addressed these challenges are automation and digitalization to streamline processes, such as in loan applications, even including things like credit ratings so that it can help to speed things along. Advanced data analytics to mine for deeper and smarter insights. Enhanced personalized property search and viewing experiences. Data integration to enable intelligent automated conversations. Predictive data modeling for asset valuation and risk assessment. And last but not least, image processing and AI-enabled listings creation. And now over the next few slides, I'll be showing you how some of the products that the team at Property Guru have developed and are live today are solving these problems. Shopping for a home is a very painful and long-drawn process, and there's a complete information overload, and the cost of making a mistake is very high. So what you see here is a product that we call Guru Picks. It's a personalized recommendation feed which learns what a home seeker is interested in and chooses listings accordingly. It considers various parameters such as your preferred price range, size, type of property, and locations. It enables us to go beyond the, put up the listing, search for something, and pray that you find something that you love, to really assisting in the whole complex journey of home searching. We optimize for relevancy, discoverability, which makes the whole shopping process easier, improves the success rate of a match, and also facilitates lead generation for our agent partners. We pride ourselves for the trust and transparency of our marketplaces. So we're constantly looking at how we can enhance the quality of our property listings, including moderation of contents, such as property descriptions and images. So what you see here is powered by what we call AIM, our AI image moderation engine. It's an advanced engine that utilizes multiple supervised machine learning models, such as object detection, image segmentation, and multi-label classification. And it ensures that the listing images on the marketplaces comply with our photography guidelines. It automatically identifies and prevents non-relevant images from being shown to our customers, such as non-property images, faces, competitor logos, and objectionable content. And then it flags these non-compliant images to our partners, who can then choose to remove or replace those photography in order to enhance the quality of their listings. AIM has drastically reduced the amount of time needed to moderate images. Every month now, AIM actually processes up to 2.8 million images per month, saving the moderation team a whole lot of time. And this obviously contributes directly to enhancing the reliability of our listings and the trust and transparency our marketplaces are known for. Here you see a capability within AgentNet, which is our agent-facing interface where property agents manage their subscriptions and listings. Creating listings can be very laborious, very time-consuming, as you can imagine. And now we are bringing AI to its core with AI-powered listing creation. Now, this multifunctional assistant will have features like ChatGPT integrated listing descriptions, media gallery tools, ad product recommendations, suggested optimal pricing based on market analysis, and performance forecast capabilities as well. And of course, video. Video formats are playing an increasingly pivotal role in showcasing properties in an immersive and engaging way. This is in line with the general trend of just content consumption across social platforms where property agents are also active. So in this demo, which I'll play very shortly, you'll see our new AI video feature that facilitates the auto-creation of a video based on static images and listings description. It's uploaded by our agent partners, and it enables them to be far more effective and to be able to make their listings a whole lot more attractive. Using Gen AI, it also creates a script based on the listing description and narrates it with a synthetic voice.
Luxurious three-bedder waterfront condo at Bayshore Park. 1,292 square feet with resort-style amenities. Bright, high-floor unit with sea views. Fully furnished, $1.89 million. Contact Amelia Toe for viewing appointment. Located at 60 Bayshore Road, near Bayshore MRT, Siglap MRT, and Chai Chi Secondary School. Easy access to expressways and amenities.
And just to share with you in this room, a couple of things that we're also looking at now is using AI-driven scoring algorithms to prioritize leads, suggest next best action, analyze performance of listing metrics to identify areas of improvement, like try uploading higher resolution pictures, try changing the subject headline of your listing. We also have developed an automated property valuation tool that has transformed how real estate asset valuations are being made. So Proxy Price, which is our proprietary automated valuation model, actually provides decision makers with more objective and accurate valuations. It factors things like historical transactions, location, property type, time frame, quality of data, and so on. And last but not least, data and analytics are extremely powerful in helping facilitate better quality decision making. But across Southeast Asia, what we've seen is that data sophistication, literacy, and fluency can vary quite widely. So what we've developed here is actually a data AI assistant to help the users of our market intelligence platform called DataSense access data and insights much easier. So you would be able to ask it questions like, how is demand trending in this neighborhood? I'm broke, I need to move out, where do I need to move to, what can I afford? Right now it's also able to display data in tables, generate some simple charts, and provide indices for easy reference. And over the next weeks and months, we'll be training it to be able to answer far more complex questions, be able to generate more complex charts as well. So as we look to the future, it's clear that AI will continue to revolutionize the real estate industry in very profound ways. At Property Guru, we're laser focused in leveraging on AI to improve the effectiveness and efficiencies of how our marketplaces work, how we serve our agents, how we serve our consumers, and also how we bring data and insights better into property decision makers. At Property Guru, we power communities to live, work, and thrive in tomorrow's cities. And through leveraging AI, we can better empower people to make confident property decisions through relevant content, actionable insights, and world-class service. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you have a great day.